Hello, 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 hello. Okay, welcome to class. My name is Teacher Hannah. What is your name? Biko? Great. Nice to meet you, Biko. Welcome to class. All right, Biko, so tell me, how are you today? Great, great. You're good, good. I am also fine. Thank you for asking. All right, so in today's class, we will be talking about food in different cultures. All right, we will be talking about food. But before we start, can you tell me about food? I'm sure you know what food is, but let me know them. So, what is food, or what do you think food is? Yeah, food is what we eat. Food is what we eat. Great. So, I want to know the types of food in your country, and I'll also tell you about the types of food in my country. Yes, so tell me about the types of food in your country. Okay, great. You are from South Africa here? Good. Oh, okay. So, can you tell me about the foods in your country? Now, also tell you about the foods in my country. Great, great, great. Well, food in my country is really good. We have jollof rice. We eat rice a lot. We also eat chicken. We also eat fish. Yes, we have fish. We have chicken. We have beef, meat. We have meat and we have beef too. What did you say? Oh, oh, nice. Okay, let's go there. What is your favorite food? Hamburger? That is so good. Do you like pizza? Oh, you love pizza. I see. So, if you like pizza, that means you must like ice cream. I love pizza and I love ice cream too, but I don't really take it too much because I love me some rice. Okay. All right. So your favorite food is hamburger? All right. Apart from hamburger, what else is your favorite food? Okay. Okay. Lobster. You like lobster? Great. Can you spell lobster? Can you spell lobster since you like lobster? Okay. Oh, great job. You know what? In my class, I give medals. All right. So, since you were able to spell lobster correctly, you get this in my class. Yeah, and high five. High five. Well done. Good job. Good job. All right. So, lobster is spelled Lobster. Lobster. That is so good. All right. That is so good. So, let's move on to another type of food. You like lobster, you like hamburger. What else do you like? Chicken? Oh, so you like chicken too. I also love chicken. Oh, great. It's so good. It was so, so, so good to learn about the food in your country and your favorite food. I am glad too because you also, did I tell you my favorite food? My favorite food is rice. Thank you for coming to class and I look forward to seeing you in our next class. But make sure you practice your words, okay? And you practice your sentences because in our next class, I'm going to ask you, okay? All right. Bye. 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 Bye.